All right, so Drumeo made it to New York, and I found my buddy Brandon. So we got Brandon squared here in Times Square, and we're gonna see how many drummers can actually win some cash or actually walk away with the free drum kits.
The challenge is, if you play the hi-hat, you win 10 bucks.
If they can add the snare drum on 2 and 4, they double it, they get 20 bucks.
If you add the kick drum and play full beat, then you win 40 bucks.
But the real challenge is if they can play the challenge groove at the end, they actually walk away with a Drumeo Edition E-kit that they can play in their apartment, in their house, in their practice space, wherever they're playing. So let's go find some drummers and see who can do it.
I actually play drums, did you know?
Do you want to win a drum set?
I would love to win a drum set.
You can win a drum set. Trust me, you can at least win 10 bucks. All you got to do is just play one of the parts of the kit. That's it. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, for 10 bucks, is just do this. That's it. Cha-ching! Okay, so now if you can add in the snare, that's 20 bucks. Boom, 20 bucks. Okay, so if you can add the pedal, I can even just play it for you, or? Never mind, he's got it. 40 bucks, and he wasn't gonna do it.
Yeah, see?
Welcome to New York.
I don't play.
Okay, so the challenge, you win a drum set if you can do this. I'll show you the groove. Yeah? All right. I mean, this guy just won a drum kit. Nice job, dude. Congrats.
Do you play the drums?
I had 2 lessons.
2 lessons? Okay. Well, this should be pretty easy for you. Do you think you can do that? That's it, 10 bucks. Now you just add the snare, so. Yep. Yeah, that's it. And then add the kick drum, so. Yeah. All right. That's 40 bucks. Now you have to make the decision. Do you want to take the $40 or do you want to play a harder groove to win the drum set?
Let's try the other group.
Okay, all right. Good. Oh, that was close. Yeah, almost. All you have to do is just keep that going.
Yeah, the double.
Yeah. Yeah. Yep.
You got it.
That's it. Yeah, that's it.
Nice work.
Yeah, man. Yeah, good job. Wow, we're giving these away way too fast.
This is too easy. There's too many good drummers in New York.
I took 2 lessons.
Yeah.
You own a kit or anything, or?
No, I don't. So it could be cool.
Where do you live?
Actually, I live in Israel.
Oh, really?
So
Okay.
Thursday.
Okay, we'll try and get it to you.
No, you win money. We'll pay you. So, I'll show you. You're from Guadalajara. What's your name?
Guadalajara, Leticia.
Okay, so
Tequila.
tequila. That's it. Yeah. Right there, $10. Okay, so for 20, okay. There it is. Nice job. That's awesome. Got it? Boom. Cat. Boom. Cat. close. Yeah. She got it. I think that's 40 right there. At this point, you can take the $40 or you can try to win a drum set. I wish I could speak better Spanish. Roman.
How many did you win?
40. 40.
Ganaste 40. I don't even know, dude. Entonces estás feliz con los 40?
$40. Nice job.
If you can play this, you win 10 bucks. That's it.
Oh, all right.
Pretty simple.
Yeah.
10 bucks. Winner.
All right.
That's it, you got 10 bucks.
Let's go.
So for 20, all you have to do is add the snare drum. So that's gonna sound like this. Got it?
Got it.
20 bucks. You got it.
That's 20 bucks, brother. It's easy, right?
Yeah, let's go.
All right, one more step. We just gotta add the kick drum. You've heard that beat a million times.
He can play. Nice. Oh, that's it. Keep going, keep going.
Yeah, buddy. You won 40 bucks, that's 40 bucks.
Oh, shoot, let's go.
Okay, so now you have to make a decision.
So at this point, you can walk with the 40, or you can go big and try to win the kit.
Get the kit, or take the $40. You can buy.
I'll take the money and run.
That sounds like a drum kit to me. Well done. And now you have to deal with having a drum kit in your house. There's just like drummers everywhere. It's crazy. So even doing it here, like I'm surprised how many people can actually play. Yeah, that's step one. And then adding the snare. Perfect.
I think I'm in luck. This is like the only pattern I know.
Got it. You want to try the challenge groove?
Nope.
No? We'll leave that one to him.
That's it, that's 10 bucks. Just try this. This is 20. Sorry?
You can't set up here like this. You have to be in the green zone.
Where's the green zone? Okay.
We just got shut down.
Set up in front.
Yeah, we're not performing, we're just giving away drums.
Oh, okay. All right.
Thanks, man.
No problem. Okay, I was ready to know only one bus. Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
thanks,
You're
man.
all right.
Yes! Yes, we're not performing. Well, the security tried to kick us out because I think they thought we were performing. But then some guy came up and he's like, they're not performing. They're like giving away drum sets. And I was like, that's right, we're not performing.
We're doing charity work.
We're doing charity work. All right, we're gonna try and get one of these characters to try. Do any of you guys wanna win some money? You win $40 if you just play a drum beat. Bateria? Yeah. Boom, ska, boom, ska. You wanna try? Yeah? All right, let's go. All right, we got Mario.
Oh, you got him.
Okay.
What do you got?
You wanna try?
You're up.
Yeah. Do you play drums?
I don't know. I know it's my first time.
It's your first time? Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Let's try this with your right hand. That's 10 bucks. You got some gold coins, Mario. Got it?
All right.
Yes. 20 gold coins. I'm gonna put the Mario sound effects in here, the gold coins. Got it? Kick, snare, kick, snare, kick, snare, kick
Yeah.
at the
Oh.
beginning.
Yeah, one more time.
Yeah, yeah. Boom, boom. Forget this, just kick this, boom, so it goes like that. Try, yeah, you see? So that's at the beginning. Boom. Kick. Yeah.
No.
Okay, okay.
It's my first time, man.
No, that was great. That was great. 20 gold coins. All right, so that's a wrap here in New York City. Gave away some drum kits.
Yeah.
Gave away some money. Had Mario on the beat. I'd say it was pretty successful.
I was surprised at how many people could actually like rip through that groove.
Yeah, a lot of people knew how to play the drums.
The other cool thing, we have to give a huge shout out to Alesis. We gave away a bunch of these kits. This is the perfect kit if you're in an apartment, like so many people are here in New York. The coolest part about this kit, it actually has a bigger snare pad, which is an issue on a lot of E-kits, so it's really nice on this one. It's compact, it fits in an apartment, it sounds great, and we're just really stoked to be partnering with Alesis on this Drumeo edition of the Nitro Max E-kit. So, Brandon, it's been a blast,
Yeah,
and we'll see where we get to go to next and see how many people can play some drums. So, cheers.
That's a wrap.